Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm in download driver Lexmark and this here for Syria. This here for you type the driver download and please find and search the official website for you. I'm like download for the official website. The official website not advanced and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website, you click here and see for the loading. You scroll down, look in the title driver and support. You click here for the title and click here for the driver and download. You click here, paste your model to print and please what you click find a driver and download. Click here, is what you see for the tag automatic your USB cable printer and the tag your model fit the print. And this here more my operating system for Windows 10. Scroll on, if you need change the operating system you click here. So this here for the new date release for the Windows. If you need change the operating system you click here. This here for operating system for the Mac. You click version, click here. This here for a not update for the Mac. This here for the Mac 10 and click for the Linux version. You click here and this here for the Linux version March Linux version. This here for the OpenSUSE Ubuntu, Red Hat and Linux main Fedora. This is March for the Linux version. And this video I'm going to download driver for Windows. Click here for Windows. This here for Windows version. You click here. And this here for Windows 10, Windows 11, and this here for I'm going to download driver for new Windows 11. This here for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and this here for Windows Server support. And click here for the Windows 11 and you're looking the date release and this here for the new date release for Windows 11 and support for language English and this here for Windows 11 support. This here for type universal print driver and recommendation for you to download for the package and this here for universal print driver installation package. You click here for the package and you click here for the title package. Click here for the title. You click here for uninstall download. This here for your drive for download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and please what finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here and you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. It's here for the tag automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of video, thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you, bye.